used in X-ray? Which technology used X-ray?
Okay. Which technology is used in X-rays? Is that your question?
Yes.
Okay. I'll show you the technology. See, this is a X-ray machine. Okay. This is a machine with a lead case. Lead case is to ensure that X-rays do not seep through this. Okay. There is a small hole through which X-rays come out. Inside which there is a kind of a bulb. In the bulb inside is vacuum. Okay. There is a high electricity passed here where there is a cathode, and on the other end there is a anode, which is usually a tungsten made up of a metal called tungsten. So what happens is that electrons run very fast, move very fast between this end to this end. Okay. Here from the heated filament, electrons run and then they move towards this anode, which is made up of tungsten. So when the electrons are moving toward tungsten and come near the nucleus of tungsten, not nucleus, atoms of tungsten, it produces X-rays, and that X-rays are allowed to pass through a small hole. Okay. So usually this
Thank you, sir.
yeah, usually this is not a characteristic X-ray, but what I call as breaking X-ray. So which means it has different wavelengths. Thank you.
I have one question that.
Yeah, please.
How was the first X-ray taken? How was the first X-ray taken?
Yeah, how was the first X-ray taken? Yeah, it's a very interesting question. See, the very first X-ray of Bertha's hand, that is by Röntgen, was taken by making the crooks to produce X-ray, allowing it to pass through the hand, and behind that they kept a photographic plate. Okay, so this was captured in the photographic plate. So all the bones which did not allow the X-rays to pass through were black, and the soft tissue through which a little bit of X-ray passed through were slightly whitish, and the outline of a hand was seen. Okay, that was captured in the photographic plate. So it was captured in a photographic plate. In olden days, we did not have a photographic roll, where you can take more photographs at the same time. We had what was called as photographic plate. It was like a plate on which there was a film negative which was covered. So you keep it, you remove the cover and then expose it for some time and then close it and then wash it like any other photograph. Okay, so that is how the first X-ray photograph was taken.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My name is
Yeah.
It is Larbo.
Okay.
Sir, I have a question that which telescope is more powerful? X-ray telescope or the ordinary telescope?
Okay. Your question is which one is more powerful? Is it X-ray telescopes which are powerful or ordinary telescopes which are powerful? Is that correct? Okay. Which one is better? Eyes or ears?
Which one is better? Eyes or ears?
Why? If you don't hear anybody You can't say, you can't hear what they are speaking.
Both are.
See, through eyes you see visible light. Through ears you hear sound waves, right? Two are doing two different things. In same way, in an ordinary telescope you see visible light. So you see certain processes. You know, things which produce light, things which reflect lights. But whereas in an X-ray telescope, you see another part. That is a part which cannot be seen through visible light at all. For example, many of the pulsar cannot be seen through ordinary telescope. They can be seen only through X-ray telescopes. So, X-ray sources are not necessarily visible light sources. Both are different when you talk about astronomy. So, they show different part of the world. I mean, different part of the universe.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Scientific officer Shyam.
Shyam, എന്താ സുഖം തന്നെ?
sir.
Okay. നിങ്ങളുടെ കുട്ടികളുടെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് എല്ലാം എൻജോയ് ചെയ്തു. എല്ലാം വളരെ ഭംഗിயான ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Trivandrum. And also other SITs, Bhopal, Vijayawada, Orissa, and other SITs who had participated today. We had a very good program today on X-rays. I suppose you also enjoyed the video program that was shown in the beginning. Tomorrow we will have the same program but in Hindi. Okay, we will have the Hindi version of this film, and tomorrow the discussions will be in Hindi. So all those sectors which are interested in participating can participate. So if there is anything more from Trivandrum, we'll hear from them, or otherwise we'll close the program for today. It's close to 12:40, 12:50. So anything more from Trivandrum?
Nothing, sir.
Okay, thank you Trivandrum, and thank you all SITs. We had a very good program today, and I should say that I also enjoyed the program because there were lots of very interesting questions. Questions like, does X-rays, if they are like light, do they also have spectrum? Yeah, we have a call from Vijayawada. So Vijayawada, you want to call? If you want to call, you can call. Yeah, yes, we are taking from Vijayawada. Yeah, I think that time we told that we'll come back to Vijayawada. Sorry. Vijayawada, you can interact.
Hello.
Yeah, please Vijayawada, carry on.
Hello. Good morning. Good morning, sir. This is K. Srinivas calling from Vijayawada, sir.
Bagunava.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. And I am very happy to see you, sir, today, and giving so much of information on X-rays.
Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you. We are
Sir, and one more thing. One more thing, sir.
Yeah.
Somebody called from Delhi something like 10 days back,
Okay.
and informed that they would be sending one PC
Yes.
along with webcam and something like that.
Yeah, so see, actually, in addition to the SIT, we are also supplying the computers, webcam, etc. Na? So that has been ordered. So now that is in the process of being dispatched to all the SITs. So like you, it will be sent to all the places. I think already Trivandrum, Bhubaneswar, they have received. Yeah.
Sir, they said that they would dispatch the material to us.
Okay.
I think we did not receive. We did not receive the material yet. That's why I just
No. You will get it. You will get it because it will be coming in courier. Orissa, just one second. Let us finish this Vijayawada and take Orissa. It will be coming in courier, and then once it comes,
Okay,
they will
thank you
also.
very much, sir.
Yeah. No, one more thing. See, you had sent one SEUC.
Thank you.
No. Wait. There is one important thing. See, you had sent one SEUC for one program.
Yes.
In which only 6 people had claimed for TA, but you had written 8 people. You know that you have to send once again without saying 8. You say only 6.